Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make better purchasing decisions. Today, we have an exciting showdown between two dash cams that promise to capture every moment on the road. On the left, we have the ROVE R2-4K dash cam, and on the right, we have the Galphi 3-channel dash cam. Let's dive right into the comparisons and find out which one comes out on top. When it comes to dash cams, video quality is crucial. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam boasts 4K Ultra HD recording, capturing every detail with incredible clarity. Its super night vision technology ensures clear footage even in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam offers 1080p front video, 720p cabin inside video, and 720p rear video, all displayed on its IPS screen. So if you're looking for top-notch video quality, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam takes the lead here. Both dash cams come with some impressive built-in features. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam has a built-in Wi-Fi 6, allowing you to view and manage recordings on your smartphone. It also comes with a GPS feature that accurately records your driving location and speed. On the other side, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam offers a triple-channel system, capturing footage from the front, rear, and cabin of your car simultaneously. It also has a parking monitor and loop recording function. So, if you're looking for more versatility, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam has got you covered. Let's talk about user-friendliness. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam comes with a user-friendly ROVE app, allowing you to download and share your recorded videos with ease. It also offers over-the-air firmware updates for hassle-free upgrades. On the other hand, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam has a hidden design and is easy to install. It even supports larger memory disks, allowing you to store more videos. So, if you value user-friendliness, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam takes the lead here. Last but not least, let's consider customer care. The ROVE R2-4K dash cam is backed by a 1-year warranty and offers excellent customer support. You can reach out to them via text or email for any questions or concerns. Similarly, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam provides a 1-year warranty and 24/7 technical support. So both companies have got your back if you encounter any issues. Based on online reviews and feature comparisons, here's the overall assessment of the two dash cams. Alright, it's time for the verdict. If you prioritize video quality and user-friendliness, the ROVE R2-4K dash cam is the way to go. On the other hand, if you're looking for a dash cam with a triple-channel system and a hidden design, the Galphi 3-channel dash cam won't disappoint. Ultimately, the choice comes down to your specific needs and preferences. We hope this comparison helped you in making a smart purchasing decision. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons. Stay tuned for the next episode of Buy Smart.